Hello and welcome to FitFusion, where we merge fitness, nutrition, and mindset to help you achieve your ultimate wellness goals. I'm your coach, and I'm thrilled to be part of your transformative journey. Are you tired of the endless cycle of fad diets and quick fixes? Are you ready to break free from the shackles of temporary solutions and embrace a lifestyle that promotes lasting weight loss? Today, we're diving into the secrets of achieving enduring fitness, and we're about to revolutionize the way you perceive the path to getting fit. We're not just talking about dropping pounds here, we're talking about a comprehensive approach to health that transcends the number on the scale. So, buckle up and prepare to embark on a life-changing journey to wellness. Remember, this is not just about a physical transformation, it's about a complete lifestyle overhaul. Our first secret is all about mindset. You see, lasting weight loss goes beyond the number on the scales. It's about a paradigm shift, a pivot from the conventional idea of dieting to a more holistic approach to health and wellness. It's about understanding that the journey to fitness is not a punishment but a rewarding process, a lifestyle change that brings together the body, mind, and soul. Imagine developing a new perspective where food is not an enemy, but a friend that nourishes and fuels your body. A friend that you respect, not abuse. Now think about exercise. It's not a chore to dread, but an activity to enjoy. It's a celebration of what your body can do, a testament to your strength and resilience. So, let's shift gears and start viewing weight loss as a holistic journey of self-improvement and self-discovery. Remember, weight loss isn't just about the body, it's about transforming your relationship with food and exercise. Secret number 2 focuses on nutrition. Now let's debunk a common myth. Losing weight isn't about depriving yourself of the foods you love or surviving on cabbage soup for a week. It's about creating sustainable, balanced eating habits. What does that mean, you ask? It means nourishing your body with a variety of nutrients it needs to function optimally. Picture a seesaw. On one side we have the fad diets that promise quick weight loss. They might work in the short run, but they often lead to rebound weight gain. Why? Because they are not sustainable. They leave you feeling deprived, and deprivation leads to binging. It's a vicious cycle. On the other side of the seesaw, we have a balanced diet. This includes a mix of proteins, carbs, and healthy fats, along with plenty of fruits and vegetables. This type of diet doesn't eliminate any food groups, but instead encourages moderation and variety. It's a diet you can maintain for the long run without feeling deprived. But here's the key. It's not about eating less, it's about eating right. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods, you can satisfy your hunger and fuel your body without overeating. So remember, it's not about quick fixes, but sustainable, balanced eating. Embrace this secret and you'll be on your way to not just losing weight, but achieving a healthier, more fulfilled life. Discover secret number 3. Effective workouts that you'll love. Let's spill the beans on a common misconception. Workouts are not just about lifting the heaviest weights or running the longest miles. It's about finding a routine that you genuinely enjoy and can stick with. Yes, you heard it right, it's all about joy in the journey, not just the destination. Now you might be wondering, how can I enjoy a workout? Well, the world of fitness is vast and diverse. From yoga to Zumba, from cycling to swimming, there's a plethora of choices. Start by exploring different forms of exercise and find what best resonates with you. Remember, it's not about being the best at it from day one, it's about enjoying the process and gradually improving. Consider this. When you find an exercise routine you love, you're more likely to stick with it. And consistency, as we'll discuss later, is the real game changer. A fulfilling workout routine can boost your mood, improve your energy levels, and make you look forward to each session. But here's the caveat. While it's crucial to find a workout you love, it's also important to maintain a balanced exercise routine. That means incorporating various types of workouts to target different muscle groups and aspects of fitness. Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a fulfilling part of your journey. Your workout is your time. Make it count, make it enjoyable, and most importantly, make it yours. Our fourth secret is simple but crucial: consistency. Consistency is like the magic ingredient that transforms your efforts into results. It's about the power of small, daily habits that lead to big changes over time. It's about waking up each day and choosing to stick to your nutrition plan, even when the pizza is calling your name. It's about lacing up your sneakers and hitting the gym, even when the couch looks oh so inviting. Think of it this way, your body is like a sculpture, and every day, you're chiseling away at it, shaping it into the masterpiece you envision. And just like sculpting, it's not about making massive changes all at once. It's about small, consistent actions that gradually shape and define. So don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Fitness is a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection. Remember, small daily habits lead to big changes. Secret number 5, accountability and support. This secret is often overlooked, but it can make all the difference in your journey to sustainable weight loss. Having a supportive community around you, filled with people who understand your struggles, can provide the motivation you need to keep pushing forward, even on the tough days. Accountability, too, plays a vital role in this journey. When you're accountable, not just to yourself, but to others, you're more likely to stay committed to your goals. It's about creating a network of people who care about your progress, who cheer for your wins, and who encourage you when you stumble. Joining a fitness group, finding a workout buddy, or even hiring a personal trainer can be great ways to introduce accountability and support into your weight loss journey. Remember, surrounding yourself with a supportive community can keep you on track. Discover Secret 6, tracking your progress. It's often said that what gets measured, gets managed. And it's no different when it comes to your weight loss journey. Keeping track of your progress allows you to see how far you've come, giving you a real sense of achievement. It's not just about noting down the pounds you've shed or the inches you've lost. It's about acknowledging the positive changes you've made in your daily habits, the healthier choices you're making, and the physical activities you're now enjoying. Seeing your progress documented can be incredibly motivating. It's a tangible reminder of your hard work and dedication. It also gives you an opportunity to reflect and adjust your strategy if needed. Perhaps you're not seeing the results you expected, or maybe you're progressing faster than you anticipated. Either way, having this information at your fingertips can be enlightening. Remember, tracking your progress can be a source of motivation and insight. Our final secret is all about self-care. You see, the journey towards lasting weight loss isn't just about what you eat or how much you exercise, it's about paying attention to your mental and emotional well-being too. Just like your body needs nourishment and movement, your mind and heart need care and attention. This can be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to breathe deeply, to meditate, or to do something you love. It could be reading a book, going for a leisurely walk, or even taking a bubble bath. By nurturing your mental and emotional well-being, you're not only helping to reduce stress, which can often lead to overeating, but you're also creating a positive environment where healthy habits can thrive. So don't forget to take time for you, because at the end of the day, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Remember, taking care of your mental and emotional well-being is a cornerstone of lasting weight loss. These 7 secrets aren't just about losing weight, they're about transforming your life. Remember, it's about mindset, sustainable nutrition, effective workouts, consistency, accountability, support, tracking progress, and self-care. These aren't just steps, they're a lifestyle. Embracing these secrets might seem daunting, but remember, it's a journey, not a race. You're not alone in this transformation. Embrace them and watch the changes unfold. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to FitFusion for more health and wellness content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a moment of transformation with us.